Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax again in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you this used boat that we just brought in. Barely used, really. This is a 2024 252 SE Yamaha. Beautiful white hull all the way across with a blue accent line on the bottom. It comes with a galvanized trailer here, dual axle, come around back. Obviously, one of the greatest features on the Yamaha boat is the back of the boat. You know, the greatest design of just hanging out with your friends, hanging out in a cove, doing water sports, easy to get in and out of a boat. It's with twin jet engines here, the 1.9s, I believe. You've got these little holes here that you can actually put a seat that slides in and sits up top or down in the water. Come on aboard, let me show you the inside. We're up here in the 252 SC now. Up here in the front bow, you can see how it has the integrated speakers and the cup holders, as well as the handrail. It's not up on top, so you don't bang your head and arm there. Great seating up here in the front, nice and wide, gives you plenty of seating space. You actually have fill-in cushions that can fill in right here too, if you'd rather have just a more of a bed type layout. This here has plenty of storage inside of here. You can store your seats that I was talking about that goes in the water on the back. Over here on the driver's side, you've got the big connects screen, easy to use. You got a dial that you can scroll through all the diagnostics and everything. It's got a phone holder here with a charger as well. And like I said, this is the SE, so this has the electronic throttle, so it's very easy to maneuver. Got the dual captain's chairs, so you can turn around both of them, have the nice L-shaped couches here all the way wrapped around, and it's got the C-deck mats inside, so they're easy to take out and clean. Obviously, this is going to have a bimini as well. It's just not on right now, but if you have any more questions about this boat, please give us a shout.